Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Long time no talk, huh? November was just a really draining, intense month for me. Like nothing horrible or anything, like I'm fine, don't worry, but like just emotionally, like, I don't know, it was just a lot. So, I don't know, maybe I'll make like a whole separate video and everything about all of that. But today, I'm just in kind of a crappy mood. Like, not gonna lie, it's just been kind of a hard day. But I got some packages in the mail, so I thought that I would open them on camera. This is my Manny X Me. I'm sure you guessed by the title that that's what this is gonna be. I'm going to do an actual, like, first impression. What is that? Like opening of the box. I'm using baby fingernail clippers to get this box open because that's where we're at. But I just really need like something to cheer me up right now. So we're gonna open the box and see what's inside. And hopefully this video isn't like super, yeah. So here's the box. Now again, I think I asked in my last video and I can't remember if somebody told me or not. And if somebody did tell me, then I totally forgot what it was. Is this like Manny X Me, Manny by me, Manny and me? I don't know. Let me know what the name is supposed to be. But I'm very, very excited. Maniology has been posting a crap ton of stuff on their Instagram, and it's been getting me super excited for the box. There's what it looks like on the inside. I know that the lighting probably isn't amazing. It's like I'm using my bedroom light, which I'm sure is kind of yellow and weird, and then I have some natural light, but like the sun's about to set. It's only like 3 o'clock. Anyway, so that's what it looks like. And then this card thingy, I don't know. I don't know what it says because I'm not going to read it. That's how it goes. And then if you've never seen, there was packaged very nicely the tissue paper that says Maniology and the big M sticker. It's always very cute, and I can't wait to see, I can't wait to see what we got. Okay, so first off, some of the pineapple gummies that they've been all over their Instagram and stuff. I had one of these in like another order that I had gotten, and they're quite delicious, so that's pretty cool. And then I guess this is also right on top. I'm guessing that this is like the extra thing that they put in every month. And this is called Mermaid Scales. It looks like it's a loose glitter thingy. Let me open this up if I can. And it comes with, let me just show you guys. So if you can kind of see, it comes with a little like applicator thingy and then the jar of glitter. And ooh, this is really pretty. They look like holographic and iridescent. Again, this is not the best lighting. It's not the best lighting in the world. I'll probably try and get pictures in here. Hey guys, so flash to the future. I am editing this video right now, and my light box was kind of like it's acting on the fritz, and I couldn't get it to work quite right. So the pictures that I took, I used sort of like a combination of natural and artificial lighting, and I really don't know if they're the best. And so I just apologize. I will be the next video where I need to insert like bottle shots and stuff like that. My light box, I'm sure, will be fixed by then. I don't really know what's wrong with it, but it doesn't seem like a huge issue, but I didn't have help trying to fix it this time. So anyways, long story short, I apologize for the quality of the pictures, but they're not that bad. They're just not amazing. So stay tuned. But that's pretty cool, and this looks like, this is just like a standard applicator thingy-majiggy that you get in, you know, like drugstore eyeshadow, not this. That you get in like a drugstore eyeshadow palette, but that's always nice. And then we've got the 2 nail polishes this month, which, by the way, I think I should mention my last unboxing. I got the ice cube stamper thingy and scraper in like a little cylinder tube thingy, and you get that in your first box. You don't get that every single month, so in case you're wondering about that, which is probably smart because I probably don't need 5 billion of them, although I wouldn't complain either. Ooh, okay. So the colors this month look like this. And let's see, what colors are these? This one is Snowdrift, which looks kind of like, it's almost a little bit champagne-y, but it's kind of like a frosty, silvery kind of color. It's really soft and delicate, which will be really pretty for like snowflakes and other designs like that. And this one's kind of like a aqua tealish color, and this one's called Ice Pond. Always really, really nice quality stamping polishes, at least so far that I've tried. I haven't tried a ton of them, but the ones that I've tried are really amazing. And then they always come with the Swatch Me stickers on the top so that you can stamp them and then see what they look like over black and white. Always helpful, especially when you're trying to see how opaque of a stamping polish it is, to see if it covers over those two colors. And then, of course, the 2 stamping plates. Now, if you've never gotten one of these boxes before, again, I'm sorry this is so informal, but like I said, I'm just like having a really crappy day, and sometimes filming a really casual video like this, I'm on my bed, just chilling out in my room. Sometimes filming like this has a tendency to pick up my mood. So yeah, that's what we're doing. Anyways, in case you didn't know anything about this box, it is a monthly subscription box. I will link my referral link down below. I don't get like paid or anything, but if you do use that referral link, I get like stamps is what it's called, and that's part of their rewards program. Like if you get enough stamps, like maybe you'll get a coupon or something, but you also get a coupon when you use that referral code. So just keep that in mind if you wanted to use it. And yeah, and I'm not gonna lie, I really like this box, and I pay for it by myself, don't worry. I prepaid for like a whole 6-month subscription because I knew I was just gonna fall in love with this box, and I have. And then also, again, sorry, I keep trying to talk and I just keep getting, yeah. The 2 stamping plates that come in the Mani X Me box, the Mani by Me, whatever, they are exclusive to this box. So if you don't get, if you're just wanting to buy the plates like later on or something on their website, they're not going to be available. These are only available for the subscription box. So it's actually kind of cool if you think about it. It's kind of, I mean, if you're, I don't know. Sometimes I can understand why that would make you mad. But at the same time, it's kind of cool to know that you're not like, you know, not everybody is going to have the same thing. I don't know. Never mind. So the first plate on here is a Maniology plate M036. This is like, it reminds me of just kind of like a winter wonderland. There is a lot of like garland type designs, and then a lot of the, what do you call those? Like the Christmas ball, the Christmas baubles or whatever. Yeah, and then there's a lot of holly and I don't know what you would call these designs. I almost want to call it like a halo design, where it's like design all around the edges of the plate, and then there's kind of like a hole in the middle so that your bottom color can show through. There's several of those. There's 6 of those on this plate, and that's really cool. That's a really unique feature. I don't know, this is just really beautiful. This is like very classy Christmas, I would say, for this plate. And it does have some words like "'Tis the season, let it snow," things like that. But I honestly I'm really into this plate. This is really cool. Oh, and they come with the nice plastic backing so you don't like shred up your hands and stuff, because that is a concern for some plates that you can find on, you know, at places. I don't know what I'm talking about. Then the next plate is Maniology M037. This one is really, really pretty. This one's like 90% snowflakes and stars, and that's like, that it gets to my heart. It has some more of those. It was like 4 more of those. I want to call them like halo designs, but I don't know if that's the right way, because that's kind of what you would call like for eye makeup, right? That would be like a halo eye makeup, where it's kind of like a circle of design and then like something else poking through in the middle. I don't know. But I mean, this is not even like Christmas exclusive. You could use these, I mean, the snowflakes you could use like all winter long, but the stars are just really, really gorgeous. You could use those anytime. And it's kind of cool because they have, you could use, oh, and same goes for this one. Like if they have some words designs over here, so you could do like the halo type design on most of your nail and then stamp in the middle, do like some words. So it's almost like framing the words on your nail. It'd be really, really pretty. But it's got some again, I don't know what you call these, like they're C-shaped designs. And those would be really good for like the base of your nail, or if you wanted to do like at the French tip kind of thing. It's really pretty. And then there's also some other words and stuff, peace, love, joy, things like that. So I'm sure I probably way over explained these plates, but I'm actually very, very pleased with them. I have a lot of ideas. I'm quite inspired right now. It's been way too long since I've been downstairs to like really sit down and play with some stamping plates, play with some polish, and just like come up with something new. I'm really itching to, with everything that's been going on in my life and with how overwhelmed I've been feeling. I really need to do that. So yeah, that's it for the box. Thanks so much for watching, and thank you for your patience, because I know I haven't been the greatest in that way, but I love you guys, and bear with me. And if you have any video ideas, please leave them down below, because I want to know what you guys want to see from me. So I love you. I will talk to you later. All right, bye.